In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine postage on eBay as a seller. If you've been looking for a way to streamline your shipping process and maybe save a bit on costs, this tutorial is just what you need. Combining postage for multiple items on eBay can not only make things more convenient for you, but it's also a great way to appeal to buyers searching for the best deals. So let's dive right in. To start with, open your preferred web browser and type eBay into the search bar. Once you've done that, hit enter and then click on the first search result that appears. This will direct you to the main eBay homepage. Now, turn your attention to the upper left corner of the page where you'll see the Sign In button. Go ahead and click on it. You'll now need to log in with your eBay account details. Simply enter your email and password, then click the Login button. If you have two-factor authentication set up, don't forget to complete that process as well. Once you're logged in, move on to the upper left of your screen and click on your profile icon. From here, your next step is to navigate to the account settings. So click on Account Settings from the drop-down menu. This is where you'll find all the options related to your eBay account, including those for managing your sales. Next, look for the Selling section and select it. You'll see different options for managing your listings and sales preferences. To continue, click on Selling Preferences. This is where we'll set up and adjust our shipping rules for combining postage. Now, your goal is to find the option labeled Combined Shipping. This might take a little scrolling, but once you spot it, click on Edit. This will open up the settings where you can refine how you want to handle shipping multiple items to the same buyer. You'll notice three primary options for combined shipping: Flat Shipping Rule, Calculated Shipping Rule, and Promotional Shipping Rule. Each of these has its unique settings and can be tailored according to your needs. The flat shipping rule allows you to set a standard shipping fee regardless of the number of items purchased. The calculated shipping rule, on the other hand, calculates shipping costs based on weight, dimensions, and destination. Lastly, the promotional shipping rule can be used to offer discounts or free shipping in specific promotions. To adjust any of these, simply click on the edit icon next to the rule you want to modify. Look carefully at the settings available for each rule and choose the ones that best fit your selling strategy. Once you're satisfied with your selections, don't forget to hit save to apply these changes. And that's it. You've successfully set up combined shipping on eBay, making the buying process more efficient for both you and your customers. It can help boost your sales by making your listings more attractive to buyers looking to purchase multiple items. Thanks for watching, and happy selling on eBay.